Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add the grass in the backyard of a house using Photoshop. Well, this method can help you in the real estate photography. So let me show you how you can add the grass in this picture. I have downloaded this picture from the Google Chrome and I'm going to add the grass in this part. I'm going to take a copy of the background layer and I'm going to make the selection from the edges of the backyard of this one, and I'll be covering every part of this. So for that, I'm going to take a pen tool. Now I'll start making the selection. You can follow around the edges. This is just a rough selection. We will just edit after we're done selecting all of that. So we are done with this. Now right click on that and click on make selection, add the feather radius 1 and click on OK. Now I'm going to select the marquee tool and right click on that to select inverse. Now I'm going to mask this layer. As you can see, the background is removed. Now let's add our grass texture on the picture. I will also leave the link in the description as well of this texture so you can download it from there. Just place it on this part. Now I'm going to put this layer on the background. Now let's start making the adjustments. Now I'll use the mask to cut out this tree. And I'm going to do the same with the other ones. Now we are done making the adjustments. Now I will visible this layer. And now I'm going to select the layer of the grass. I'm going to auto adjust the color with the environment. So I will click on the image and click on auto color. The color is now automatically corrected the background. I'm going to smoothen out the edges of this tree. And again, I'm going to use the mask. I'm going to decrease the flow as well. This value should be good. Now draw on the tree. Let's make some adjustments. And there you go. Now you added the grass in the backyard of your house. Now you can use this image in your real estate photography. If you want to save, just click on file and click on save and save on your computer. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.